It's hard to see scenes like this. An EF5 tornado ripping through Moore, Oklahoma in 2013, destroying 2 elementary schools and killing several people, including children. Or like this, surveillance video from inside Joplin High School as an EF5 tornado devastated the town in May of 2011. Parents in the town of Salisbury now don't have to worry about scenes like this and their children's safety if a tornado were to hit their town. The reason? A brand new gym that doubles as a FEMA-approved tornado safe room. Superintendent Todd Wilhite says the district was originally looking to rebuild their gym.
Initially, we were just looking to replace classrooms in a gym, and then we learned in that process, we learned about the FEMA grant and the cost assistance, and so then that led us in this direction.
The grant from FEMA helped pay for part of the gym, but the protection from a tornado was an additional benefit.
The fact that it's a safe room is a nice bonus for the community and for our kids. Hopefully we never need it for that, but it's nice to know and comforting to know that we've got that for our kids and our whole community.
There's multiple layers of protection that keep the destructive winds of a tornado from coming inside the gymnasium. The first layer are these cinder block walls. Inside of the cinder block walls, there's actually rebar. Behind the cinder block walls, there's more rebar. And then the final layer, they actually sprayed on this concrete type material across the whole outside. Now, the second layer are these doors. All the doors leading into the gym are made out of steel. The dome on top is made of a rebar shell with a rubber membrane over it. The final layer of protection is concrete. The gym can withstand winds up to 250 miles per hour, which makes it FEMA certified. The cost of the gym was around $5 million to build, and FEMA paid $1.5 million for some of the materials like the fortified walls, the dome, plumbing, and electrical work. Just over 1,200 people can fit inside the gym, which is room for the entire town. The Salisbury School District used a grant provided by FEMA to build the storm shelter behind me. We looked to see if other districts in mid-Missouri are doing the same thing. Right now, there are 4 other schools with completed tornado safety rooms in mid-Missouri. They are in Latham, Crocker, Mexico, and Sedalia. Grants for 5 more safe rooms have been awarded to schools in Eldon, Iberia, Versailles, Edgar Springs, and Waynesville. The building in Eldon will be complete in the next few weeks. Holt Summit already has its safe room. There are 8 similar facilities throughout Pettis County, as well as one on the campus of State Technical College of Missouri, located in Lynn. Right now, there are no FEMA-approved safe rooms in any of the schools in Columbia or Jefferson City. Amy Berenson from Jefferson City Schools says there's potential to put safe rooms in schools in the future.
I think in the future, too, it is our desire to add on a FEMA-hardened structure to existing buildings, and then when we do build new, that will definitely be included in part of the process.
The oldest 2 schools in Jefferson City were built in 1938. Berenson says most of the buildings likely couldn't withstand a direct hit from a large tornado. She does tell me each school goes through an inspection to find the safest locations to put students during severe weather. Back in Salisbury, the superintendent hopes the people of this small town will only need to use the building for good times, but says it's here just in case a disaster would strike.
I hope that the community can find some comfort in that. Hopefully they can take advantage of this if the time ever comes. I hope it doesn't, but it is nice to know and nice that we can offer that to the community.
In Salisbury, meteorologist Dan Ebner, KRCG 13.